Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. All right, daily chart. We drew our box. We're still in the box. We're still in the box. The blue line there is the 9-day. You can see the 20-day starting to lift as a function of time to deal with price. So we're going to get that look in the next few sessions one way or the other because we continue to flatten out here. It's a 20-day moving average, so the last 20 data points are going to rapidly meet price as these lower prices get shed off of the back of the moving average. So hourly chart, they tried to break it out yesterday, got up to 41.70s again. They couldn't do it. They tried to break it down yesterday, got down to 37, and there was a hard reject into the close, everything migrating back towards the 9-day. 9-day is held as resistance in the overnight. They're trying to hold weekly pivot as resistance. You see the hourly mid-band. There's been a lot of false resistance, a lot of false support, just a lot of stuff going on in the middle of all of these big inflection points. Weekly pivot, 9-day, hourly mid, all these big inflection points. You can start to see there's your daily mid-band starting to come back into the picture. You got volume weighted average price sitting at 41.49.5, proprietary moving average 48 and change. Weekly pivot and hourly mid-band are locked up at 53. So for today, the whole day is about where do we close relative to this zone of price from the 9-day down to the weekly pivot. You've even got daily pivot bisecting it. You've got hourly mid-band bisecting it. This little zone is going to do one of a couple of things today. Either it's going to break pretty efficiently, or it's going to give everybody some really massive headaches that could last throughout the day. No way to tell which. It looks like it's trying to convert, but it looked like it was trying to convert yesterday morning as well. This is your 9 o'clock hour right here. So based upon that, you could see an overshoot and an undershoot and just generally a great big mess. Don't overtrade it. It's a tough tape to trade. Be mindful of a lower low relative to this low as far as going down, or a higher high relative to this high. These two price points open things up to the up, to here, open things up to the down, to back here. That's the key. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. All the best.